Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with a new video. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon, and you will get all the notification for the new videos. And in the today's session, we are going to see how to send an email in the Automation Anywhere. So using send email package. Okay, so let me open Automation Anywhere. So we'll we'll create a new task. Click on create task and click on taskbar, and then we'll give the task name here. So send email. Send email is our task name, and then click on the create and edit. So once you click on it, so you will get the workspace for the workspace in the automation anywhere to create your task. And here you just type in the action, you just type email. So here you can see all the packages available in the email command. Okay, so in today we are going to see this command, send email command. So just double click on it, and so we need to provide two email address. I'll just give my email address, Sunil RPA training@gmail.com. Okay, and then so here you can see that CC and BCC I'm not giving it. So subject automation anywhere, I'll just remove this one, testing send email command. Okay, anything you can give, but I'm specifying subject name like testing send email command, and then I'll just copy this to email address, come down. So here attachments, if there are any attachments, you can click on attachments. So you can click on this list and add it, and through variable also you can specify that. So as of now we'll see send email command with the plain text. Okay, we are not going to attach any attachments in the today's session. Okay, now click on this plain text, and then I will type the message. So how the email body, how it has to display, so that I will specify. Hi team, welcome to my channel, and then thanks Sunil. Okay, and so here come down. So here we need to select email server, and then put from address is my email address again. The email server host is, so below you can see smtp.gmail.com, and server port is 587. So you can search it in the Google. Okay, in Google page also you can search it, just like Gmail host and port number, and then click on this first option, and you will get to know that command name. So one second, I'll retype it, smtp port number for Gmail. Okay, you type and you can see that. Okay, so 587 is there and 465 is there, so you can use any one of them. So that smtp.gmail.com is the host and port number is 587. Okay, let me go back to automation anywhere. So here I'll just select my server requires authentication true, yes, and then authentication mode is basic only. And so here I need to specify the username and password of my Gmail account. Okay, so I'm specifying my username and password. So I'm going to create one variable. So v password I'll create, v password, and click on create button. So once you create the variable, so we need to do some settings to send an email to get this password. So what I will do, go to your Gmail account and then click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, so here manage your Google account, you click on it. So here, and then click on security tab. So we need to come down. So here you need to select, click on this two-step verification. Okay, once you click on it, so you need to generate the app password. So provide your password here. So once you log in, so it will ask for two-step verification. Come down. So here you can see app password. Click on this, and you need to give send email. Okay, app name is send email. Just click on create. Once you click on create, so it will generate one. Okay, I'll give test email. Okay, click on test email command. Okay, click on create. So new, it is generated, right? The password is got generated. So I'm copying it, click on done, and then go back to your automation anywhere. So here I have created one variable, right? V password. So in that you paste that. Click on edit variable, and then I'm just pasting that password here in the default section. Click on apply. So here we need to select that in secure string and press F2. Here I'm selecting that password, V password variable. Click on yes insert and save this, and now run this. So before that I'll just check my email. So there is no email, right? So what I will do, I'll just going to run this task. So now bot is going to run, and it has to send an email along with the plain text. Okay, so now bot run is started. Yeah, so your bot has run successfully. I'll close this pop-up, and I'm going back to my Gmail account. So here you can see automation anywhere testing send email command. Okay, so we received an email. Okay, so here you can see hi team, welcome to my channel. Thanks Sunil. Okay, so this is how we need to use this send email command with a plain text email body. So, okay, thank you for watching. So in the next session we'll discuss on the other email commands and packages. Thank you. Bye.